Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we have decided to do the shopping in the H&M, and you know the H&M is the very famous world ranking brand. So let's go inside. Viewers, know I am inside the H&M, and you know the H&M is a famous brand, and they have the clothes from the fair price to the costly clothes. So it's your choice what kind of clothes you want. So I am here, you can see this is the 50 RMB counter. Here every shirt, this is a female section. You see very beautiful Coca-Cola. So these all shirts are about 50 RMB. So these red boards, they are giving the promotion for the autumn clothes. So here you can see here, you see, this is the peach color shirt, as well as here is the lime yellow lemon color shirt. Here this is very beautiful bear collection of the H&M. You see teddy bear logo and woolly shirt, very beautiful for the winter season and for the autumn season. And now they are changing the stuff from the summer to the winter and autumn. Many new articles are here. You see very beautiful brown color with teddy. Viewers, know I am at this corner. This all is a female jeans, and with many colors. You see black color, the blue color, white jeans, as well as the gray color jeans, and here is also one grayish brown color jeans. So this is the jeans section for the female. This very beautiful European style wool coat, and with a round bottom, sleeveless, and they also have some with sleeves. And I think this one, yes, this one, very good looking female wool coat. Viewers, this is the accessories corner, and you see these are the shoes on the fair price. This is only 30 RMB shoes. You see purple color shoes, and these are the blue color shoes. These are the fabric shoes, very beautiful with the floral design. And here you see, this is the lockets and the jewelry. This is also on the promotion. Similarly, these are the some belts, goggles for the females. So these all things are on promotion, and very beautiful design here, you see. So these all things are on promotion. These are the scarves, female scarf. So the wool scarf, and some are mixed with the polyester, because autumn season is just after a few days. It will be a little cold here. So these are the scarves. Here you can see the earrings, one full packet of earrings, a lot of earrings, and only with 20 RMB. And these are the stone earrings, very beautiful design, and only 20 RMB. And even some are cheaper than this one. And this full set with a number of earrings, only 30 RMB. Viewers, know I am at the kids section of the H&M, and here I am looking around many colorful clothes for the kids. And you see, this one is the full Frozen collection here, and all the kids, even elders, knows about the Frozen movie. This is very hit movie, and even these small bags with the Frozen pattern, Elsa patterns, and you see the Frozen shoes, even with the Elsa clothes. You see very beautiful clothes. These are for the kids, and this is with the pair, means two shirts can buy with only 99 RMB. Elsa princess clothes here, and these are very hit nowadays. Kids like it too much. And H&M kids section also has the same like the male and female section, the promotions with the fair prices, and in every season they give a lot of promotions, so you can have the reasonable price clothes from the H&M. Wow, viewers, you can see besides me are very colorful party shoes for the kids. If they have any function in their schools, they can use these kind of shoes. As well as you can see, this is the yes, Tweety style, Looney Tunes Tweety style joggers. Many beautiful colors. Even here is also the Elsa collection, very beautiful shoes, and with very reasonable price they are available here. Viewers, you can see here very beautiful tiger baby boy, and here is a crocodile. So many beautiful shirts are available here with very reasonable price. Viewers, very beautiful article, and this is the jungle collection. All the jungle animals are here. Viewers, behind me is the Marvel collection, and you see Spider-Man shoes for the babies. Spider-Man shirt and real Spider-Man costume. Here are many others. This is the full Avengers series. You see Hulk is here and many other characters. Viewers, know I am at the newly born baby corners and you see here is the female baby, newly born baby, for the dress for the female baby, and here is the for male or female. You can see these fabrics are very comfortable and very soft. They focus on the material too much. Very soft fabric, very comfortable fabric, so that the kids they will not have any rash or itching feeling. So you see mini collection. I think this is for the female and this is for the male. So many beautiful objects are available here for the newly born babies. Viewers, finally I have arrived in my section, means the male section, and you see here around every article is related to the males, and you see very beautiful winter and the autumn season t-shirt. This is the peanuts, and mostly the Chinese boys they like to wear the casual clothing. So if you come to any brand, so most of the articles you will find in the casual form. You see this is the Tom and Jerry collection, very beautiful shirt. How am I looking? Similarly, you see here these are the jeans, blue color, black color, the traditional blue color of the jeans, and they have the both type of jeans, means the skin fit jeans as well as the loose jeans. This is the trend of the hoodies nowadays. You see many color hoodies are available. You see with very beautiful patterns front and behind. This is the purple hoodie, black hoodie. Similarly here is the pinky and many color. This is the rainbow hoodie. All the colors are here. So many beautiful articles are available, and also I can share with you they have very good leather shoes. You see for the traveling, boys often like this thing. If you are going for the hiking or anywhere or in the normal use, these kind of leather shoes are available. And these are the caps, many kind of caps, and this is the ocean like look. Viewers, know I am at the corner. These all are the sport shoes with the fabric, very beautiful Japanese fabric, and also here are the bags, traveling bags. This is the good looking bag. You can hold like this or you can hang it. So these bags, and also some shoulder bags are available here like this. So H&M has many things, and with very reasonable price, with a lot of variety. So if you come to the H&M, you will never go without shopping. Today we make you visit the H&M, and we have shown you many areas of the H&M, the female section, kids section, gents section. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.